Hi LoLa Seafood friends! After we see boneless, skinless, and now we're gonna see, as you can see, the product has a bit of brown in it. Brown, and it doesn't look good in the shape. So now they're doing a retouching it. So it gets rid of all the brown coloring, and it makes sure the shape of the product are ready for you to become fish fillet. So as you can see, everything is kept on ice. So everything is kept in our GMP and HACCP standard. Keep the fish safe for you, keep the fish safe for us. Alright then, I'll see you in our next video. See ya! Bye!